Yes, hello everyone, welcome back again to this tutorial and welcome back again to No Max TV. In this video I'm gonna be responding to the question of one of our friends who asked us the specific driver he or she can use to use the SIM card on the laptop. So if when it comes to using SIM card on laptop, you can have various details of various information. For instance, if you type how to use SIM card on laptop, you're gonna be getting different information which are saying locate your SIM slot, insert SIM card. Of course, you should be having a laptop which is gonna be having a SIM slot, and you have to insert SIM card. Also you have to wait for the device to take the SIM card and the cellular. You can be getting various articles and the guides and even different videos which are talking about that. However, you need to understand what kind of SIM card you need to use, and if there are other devices like drivers you can be using, how are they different from laptop to the laptop. That is what I'm gonna be explaining to you in this video. And remember to subscribe to this channel TV. Like this video. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in our comment section. What I'm gonna do now is to ensure that I'm gonna be coming here. You can see I have this SIM card. If for instance I check SIM card for laptop driver, I can be searching for SIM card for laptop driver. I'm gonna be getting certain informations about SIM card. For instance, if I go back, I go down here. If we go to their laptop, as you can see it here, it is gonna be showing me the information about how I can be using the driver of the Dell laptop. What they are saying here, you can see selected driver for your mobile broadband card from the modem or communication category. Click download. This is a guide they are providing. This is for those who are having their laptop. This is gonna be different from the ones who are having HP laptops and the other kind of laptops. Also, you can see they are telling you if you don't have the service tag, use the auto detect feature on manual browse. Enter the service tag of the computer and then submit. So click drivers, download, find drivers, select your operating system, select the driver for your mobile broadband card from the modern communication category. Click download to download the driver on your computer. This is how they are guiding you to get a driver for you who are using eSIM. These are eSIM setup guys for Windows. Those ones who are using the Dell laptop. However, if you're using other kind of laptop like HP, like another one, let's see how you're going to be getting it. For instance, if we come and click here to the SIM activation and drivers for HP, you're going to be getting support here. And also let's now consider this question from someone who asked, I would like to activate my SIM slot on my EliteBook L40G1 but don't know how and drivers. So if you come here to the expert, you can see this person Portigan who responded to him from the support. So he responded to him that SIM card don't need drivers. Now this is the perspective from HP, or this is the response from HP now, which means you are now having to understand how you have to consider this if you are using HP laptop. Your notebook is one of the 90% that don't come with the required WWAN adapter, which was an expensive option. In order for the SIM card to work, your notebook must have one of these modern WWAN adapters listed in the device manager under the network adapters device manager categories. So if you don't know where device manager is, I can encourage you to come and tap in search and type device manager. You're gonna be getting it here. Once you get it into your laptop, you're gonna head to the device manager area or to the place area, which is this one, and you can be checking whether you have this item. They are saying that you should be having it in device manager under the network category, adapters device manager. So I have to come and check the network categories. If this laptop of course is gonna be having it, can be working, but if it doesn't, you can see our biometric devices. Now I have to search for network. Okay, these are network adapters. You should be checking if it is here. And now scroll down and check. I have WAN mini port, WAN mini port. So if I check this one and I say okay, HP mobile broadband, you can see I don't have it, which means this laptop I'm using can't use dual band. Okay, so I have dual band connection, device, personal area, network. So which means here this laptop can't use SIM card because it doesn't have all these devices. This laptop is the HP, but it doesn't have these devices they are identifying here. However, if you go to their laptop, also you can be seeing they're having a different perspective. Let's see if you have a ThinkPad or Lenovo SIM card driver. So you can be also searching various information and see. So what you need to understand is that you need to understand that there are different perspectives of using the SIM card, depends on what you're gonna see. So for instance, if you type Lenovo SIM card reader driver for Windows, you can see they are showing me that there is a way that you can be downloading this driver reader for Windows. What I need to do, I need to click here, and also this is a support. Use a SIM card in Lenovo laptops and tablets. So once I click on it, let's see what is gonna be coming. I click OK and accept the terms and privacy. So this is a SIM card reader you can be able to download for Lenovo laptop. So as you can see here, it is now shown, which means depends on the laptop you are using, depends on the kind of items you are using, you can be able to download the driver, or you can be able to use the given way to be able to use that SIM card. So remember, you need to ensure that your laptop is having a SIM card slot, because of course you cannot be using the SIM card without a SIM card slot, because that is the time where you're gonna be using the laptop. Also the other possibility which is possible, but which I'm not sure, depends on the laptop, is that if you can be able to use a broadband, you can be able to use a USB like a modem. As you can see, HP, we are using a modem, so you can be checking whether it is working, but this information is not. I'm not sure about this much. However, the important thing, which is the first option, is to check whether the laptop is ready to have already with the SIM card slot that you can be able to insert SIM card. After that, you have also to follow the directions. Depends on the laptop manufacturer, laptop industries, either HP, either Lenovo, either Dell laptop, either Apple laptop. It all depends on the kind of laptop you are using, and you also know the laptop model. Then also, if they are requiring you to be able to add devices like this one, to download the drivers like this one, depends on the laptop, to do something let's say different, making sure that you follow the directions and also use the laptop or use the SIM card in your laptop in the way you want. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video. If you have any question or suggestion, or remember to leave it in the comment section. Also subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends. If you have any question or suggestion, welcome.